following portion of Acadiana Live is brought to you by Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.
Joining us now in studio, we have David Groner with Acadiana Elder Law. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Taylor, I'm so excited to have you as our new host. This is awesome.
I'm excited to continue these segments, and this is a great learning experience for me because I have no idea what elder law is, and you're going to educate all of us at the same time.
We will teach you all about elder law.
So for our friends at home that might be tuning in for the first time, what exactly do you do?
Okay, so let's start off with Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. It's a nonprofit corporation. So what happened was some financial planners that had dinners and they would explain their business at the dinners, found out that I was an elder law trained attorney. They said, David, would you please come speak to our groups about estate planning, because a lot of our people need trust.
Yeah.
And so I went, and after speaking to people were like angry, why isn't someone teaching this? Why don't more people tell us about how we can better do our estate planning than what we're traditionally taught? And that led the financial planners and I to talk about, let's do a nonprofit where all we do is educate and give people the information they need in order to better protect their families and future heirs.
And I think that's such a great resource for people in the community, because when you are going through the day-to-day of life, you tend not to think about a trust or later on down the road. So how can people at home kind of take advantage? I know you do workshops around Acadiana.
We do. Yeah, that's so the best thing is don't put it off, because the best time to do estate planning is what, 5 years ago?
Yeah.
I'll explain that in due course. The next best time is today. And if you'd come to a workshop, a lot of people come and ask great questions, and we have a great time going through all the angles of what's best for people and how they can better do an estate plan rather than just relying on a will and to protect their children and their assets. So there's a lot of reasons to do a trust, more so than doing a will.
This is all great information, and the fact that you saw a need in the community was like, you know what, this is an area where I can help people. And I know you have a couple new locations, a new location on Camellia.
Yeah, we're located now, have a standalone office on Camellia in Lafayette. It's there by appointment only, so you have to call, so I'll be there, because I move around quite a bit.
Yeah, I know you travel around. And if people at home, we're almost out of time, but if they want to learn more about you, your locations, your workshops, what you have to offer the community, where can people go to learn about everything?
Well, the best thing is to go to Facebook, look up Acadiana Elder Law Clinic, or go to acadianaelderlaw.com. And that'll show the list of workshops and what's happening in the area as far as, educational opportunities. But of course, you could always call my number, set up an appointment, and I'll have a private free meeting to discuss your particular needs on estate planning.
Well, David, thank you so much for stopping by to educate us on elder law. If you at home, you want to learn more, you're going to call the number on your screen. We're also going to put everything you need to know on our website, califly.com. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this.